today.
Okay, so now it's the first day you drive with gas?
Yeah. Many more taxi now time. It will be something 20-25 taxi all the Kathmandu.
In Kathmandu, huh?
Yeah, in Kathmandu.
Wow.
So good.
Yeah, and is it a better price or is it just because of the environment?
Yeah.
Because the air, it's really bad.
Yeah.
From all the diesel and fuel and petrol.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting.
Now time my country mixed fuel. Get a mixed fuel, you know.
Oh, no good quality?
Oh yeah, no good quality. They mix the kerosene, they mix the water.
Oh.
Sometimes another oil. So,
Water?
Yeah, sometimes water. They have no good responsibility.
No,
Government.
it will destroy the engine.
Yeah, so problem. So I think 2 months more first, I think. So I decide I keep my car in gas.
You keep this gas car.
Yeah.
So how the tank and everything, is it? How can you get gas? Is it easy to buy gas?
Biogas, maybe LPG gas, you know, LPG means cooking gas.
Okay.
Cooking gas.
But can you buy it? Is it easy to get here in Kathmandu?
Yeah.
No problem.
No problem. That's good.
Okay.
Last month I was go to the Saptari. You know Saptari?
No?
Out of Delhi, something 400 kilometers east side. 400 kilometers east side. I was go to, but gas car no give the problem.
Okay.
Very good.
But I think it's really nice to hear that people are trying to start using gas cars.
Yeah.
Because the exhaust isn't that bad. And the emissions are much better, I think.
First time little bit costly. All the gas parts I keep time 15,000 Nepali currency.
15,000 rupee?
Yeah. Italian system. This is the Italian system, no Indian system.
Ah, okay.
Indian system and Chinese, you know China? Chinese system is little bit gas snail.
It smells?
Yeah, snail. Running time the snail. Snail means nose attacked. Yeah. But Italian system not.
It's good.
Yeah, very powerful and a good system. No leakage gas.
How long can you drive if you...
One tank, maybe 400 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is good.
But yeah, 18 liters full pack, one tank.
Det finns hopp ändå, verkar det som. Både små el-tuk-tuks, eller tuk-tuk, men ja, de här trehjuliga.
Electric tuk-tuk.
Yeah, electric ones. And then och gasbilarna här som han kör i taxi. Did you say it was 50 in all Kathmandu? 40-50 with gas?
40-50, yes.
That's not much. How many taxis? 10,000?
Something, yeah. 9-10,000, yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, it's. I like to hear this. Really.